hope you're all ready to kick off the week with full force. I thought why not start the week with a fab bag. So I got my fab bag today itself and I was so excited. I was like, I'm gonna get ready and start working on it. So yeah, that is a fab bag and I saw it and believe me, I forgot about the print and the pattern. I got dressed and I am matching. Yeah, so I matched fab bag today. Anyway, so this is our December fab bag. I have super high expectations from December fab bag because I still remember last time a December fab bag was fantastic. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay. It's actually pretty heavy and fully stocked. Alrighty. So this month's fab bag is Partyholic fab bag. I told you they have the best fab bags in December. So it is a Partyholic bag and I got to choose one product from the bag as usual, and this time I was like, I got the mail that you can choose one product. I was like, dude, I'm going to do it right now. I got an amazing, I don't know what to call it, a lipstick. It's not a lipstick though, but yeah, so I'm going to start with the same product which I chose for myself, and this is the lipstick that I chose for myself. Love it. I already have it on my lips, and you know what, I'm going to actually show you what exactly it looks like first and then I'll tell you why I'm like whoa. Okay, so this is the tube, very normal, right? Then you open it up and hello, there goes the marker. It looks literally like a marker, like a Sharpie that you used to highlight or something. It smells a little like that, and oh my god, so weird. So I tried it in the morning. Actually, this was the first thing that I did in the morning. I got up, I had the package, I opened it, I was like, oh, cute color. So I made like a little designs on my hand, had it on for the entire day. I'm the kind of person who washes her hand like after every 10-15 minutes and I moisturize and all the thing. The hearts were still there. I just rubbed them off with a makeup remover. So I was like, I have to try this guy today itself. It's on my lips and oh my god. Firstly, it feels so weird to put on. Imagine using your like neon Sharpie or marker and like So it was a little weird, but it's a fantastic product. So it's kind of a stain, so you don't feel you have anything on your lips. Color is fantastic. I did, I think, 2 coats and I'm pretty happy with how this is looking. There's no transfer at all, and I just realized that this video is becoming a review of the product. But anyway, I think I have to review the product individually, which I will do for sure. But yeah, this is my product that I choose for myself, and the color that I have is called Fling. It's a beautiful fuchsia pink color. I love it. If you haven't already chosen the product, try and get it if it's still available. It's a beautiful color. And the price, okay, it's called Be a Bombshell Lip Stain in Fling. It's in the full size. It costs 750 rupees. Yeah, so that was the first product. Moving on to the second product, and I have to say I was really excited when I saw this because finally I got to try something else from the brand, which is Palmer's. So if you remember, I think in last favorites video I mentioned that how much I love their hand lotion. It is just the smoothest, most buttery lotion ever. So this time we got Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E Skin Therapy Oil. It's an on-go roller ball packaging, and the packaging says it works on scars, stretch marks, dry damaged skin, uneven skin tone and aging. So yeah, these days I'm on this kick of using facial oils. You will see like 1 or 2 in my favorites very soon. So I got this and I was like, okay, I think this is the next one which I'm going to try. I'm really excited to try it on my face, and I totally believe in the brand. So I guess it should work. So yeah, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil costs 460 rupees for 60 ml. So yeah, that was the second product. Moving on to the next product, which is Arba Herbal Care Nourishing Foot Massage Cream. Very thoughtful of the fab bag team because winter always means dry, crusty feet. So that's really thoughtful. Actually, let's try it on it. It smells so good. I'm totally going to use it. Oh, it has olive oil, cocoa butter and jasmine. No wonder it smells amazing. Let's actually try a little on our hand. Okay, so this is a thick cream. Oh, that's really moisturizing and it's cooling also. So I think it's going to work on those dry, cracked feet. I don't have them right now, but I'll make sure that I use it so I don't get them. Price of the product, what's called Iba Herbal Care Nourishing Foot Massage Cream costs 95 rupees. That's pretty inexpensive. If this works, then I would definitely buy a full size of this one. So yeah, and moving on to the last product in the bag, which is again a mist. Oh my god, it's also by Natural. It's called Thank God It's Friday and it's a hair mist. I just have to open this right now because I am totally loving their body mist. I have it in some ocean, I think it's Sweet Ocean fragrance. It is fantastic. Let's see how this one is. Oh my god, amazing. Oh my god, I just have to spray it on right now. Oh my god, so good. It is a little sweet for my preference, but I'm totally loving the idea of having all natural mists for body and hair, and I've already tried their body mist, so I think their hair mist would be amazing as well. So the natural bath and body Thank God It's Friday hair mist costs 525 for 100 ml, and can we just say that the name is so cute. Thank God It's Friday. Yeah, so that is all for December fab bag. I told you it's going to be amazing. Every single product from this bag is so useful, starting from the lip stain to the oil to the foot cream and to the hair mist. So that is all for today's video, and now you know what you can expect from December's fab bag. I really like it. If you haven't tried the bag, you can give it a try. I'll have a link down below in the description box. To know a little more about the products, their prices, pictures, you can go to my blog post, which will be in the description box below. So yeah, that should be all. I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Oh yes, one more thing. I have a giveaway going on. I'm giving away a t-shirt, a very cool graphic t-shirt which says Killing It. So I'm going to link it here somewhere. It's an international giveaway and everybody can participate. So yeah, I'm going to see you very soon in the next video. Bye guys.